4s.
Welcome back to Utah. It's just about 6:14 now. Checking on our weather with meteorologist Thomas Gieboy. Thomas, what do you got for us? We're getting inching closer to the weekend. Lots of BYU and Ute fans are hoping for a good Saturday.
Well, I think the weather is looking a lot better heading into the weekend because we're going to get a little bit of relief because today, unfortunately, we get more high heat, we get more smoke, but as I mentioned, relief will be on the way for this weekend, and it might also come with a rain chance. We'll get into those details in just a minute, but we'll start off with a beautiful view from the Park City Mountain. You got a little bit of smoke in the sky, but as we get through the early morning and through the evening, when you have smoke in the sky, you get some beautiful views. It really won't look that pretty by this afternoon, but you still have some twinkling stars out there this morning, even with the smoke. But with that smoke this afternoon, the air quality remains poor. And from Ogden south down through Provo, and then as you make our way east of the Wasatch, unhealthy for sensitive groups is the forecast for the air quality. While meanwhile, the northern tip of the state will be in moderate air quality, and that's expected as well in the southern corner of the state as well, in Iron County and also into Washington County as well. So the air quality not the best, but as we get a little bit more of a southwesterly flow, that smoke might be able to thin out a little bit more in the coming days. But when we look at the forecast for today, it's going to be a hot one. Salt Lake City, a high of 97 degrees. And if we get to 97, we will break the record for today, which is 95, just for some perspective. And with that southwesterly flow, we'll get a little bit more cloud coverage, maybe a slight rain chance in the higher terrain, and that should help keep the temperature just a little bit cooler in St. George and Cedar City, with St. George getting to around 102 and Cedar City getting to around 90 degrees. So here's a look at the bigger picture. The high pressure that's been keeping our weather quiet is moving away to the east. We'll get a little bit more of a southwesterly flow. And there's a system approaching from our west. That system approaching from the west with the moisture that's coming in from that southwesterly flow could bring a few isolated showers in the high terrain in the southern half of the state today. And then heading into tomorrow, as we see both of those line up, isolated showers and thunderstorms will be a possibility for the second half of the day tomorrow, mainly Friday night into Saturday morning. And then as we move past Saturday, we'll start to dry things out. But I think there will still be enough moisture throughout the day on Saturday where we could get a few showers. But with that southwesterly flow, that should also help with the smoke as well. So for today, we're going to be in record territory in Salt Lake City, with the record high being 95 degrees and the forecast 97. But as we get that southwesterly flow and we get that system moving in, you're going to notice those temperatures going back closer to seasonal averages as we move into your Saturday and into your Sunday. But for St. George today, hazy with a small rain chance for the second half of the day, a high of 102. Slight rain chance continues for tomorrow into your Saturday, as high temperatures will kind of just hover around 100 degrees. And then for the Wasatch Front, hazy with a slight chance for today. Temperatures near seasonal averages heading into your Saturday. And then we're looking at drier conditions by the end of the weekend as temperatures hang on to near seasonal averages. With your traffic, just